Alright guys, so the 6.5B volume of prisms did not show actually working out that triangular prism, so I want to make sure that you understand how to work out the triangular prism because a lot of students get confused with that base. The first thing I'm going to do is, you notice I don't have it on here yet. I'm going to switch back to figure out what the dimensions of it were. I'm going to show you guys how to draw them so that whenever you are doing these yourself on your checkpoints, you can, kind of sketch it out. What I do, and yes, I'm going to be very good at this because I've been doing this for years. I'm going to start off by drawing the triangle here. I'm going to go up and over a little bit, and I'm going to try to draw the same size triangle the best I can. And then I'm just going to connect all of these points together, all 3 points of that triangle together. Okay, the reason I want to make sure we go over this is because, as you guys saw in the other video, the bases are the triangles on this. Base is not what it sits on necessarily, okay? And on this thing, I even put a quote in here that I like because it rhymes. Triangular faces are always the bases, okay? So here, going back to that one, let me look at, we had 10 inches on the sides of our triangles. I'm going to draw the other one over here. Write the other one over here, okay? I'm going to go back here. We saw that the height of the triangle, we have a perpendicular line showing our height, was 8 inches. I'm going to draw an arrow out. This is 8 inches. And then the actual height of the prism is going to be what connects the two bases. The height is that little pathway from one base to the other, and he had that labeled as 20 inches. And then over here, the base of the face, the triangle right here, is 12 inches. And what I did on my key for the other one, I'm going to do on this one as well. We learn in the video that your volume is going to be the area of the base times the height of the prism. Oop, I cannot spell. The height of the prism. All right, a little bit easier for you guys to see. All right, so what we're looking at here is these are our bases, the triangles. Okay, so we need the area of the base. As we learned, the area of the base, I'm going to put, usually it's represented with a big B as area base. You probably learned that in 7th or 8th grade. But the area of the base, again, is going to be the base of the triangle times the height of the triangle divided by 2. So that's where we get that. We have the base, which is going to be the 12, times that height of 8, all divided by 2. And this is where we got the 48 inches that we'll plug in here. Our height, again, is that line that connects our two triangles or our two bases. So here, we don't need to actually work anything out for that one. That's why volume is considered easier. I'm sorry, we're doing volume. I was not ready for this. Your volume, represented with a big V, is going to be the area of the base, which we saw here was 48, times the height of the prism, not the height of the triangle, the height of the prism, times 20. Okay? And so then your volume is going to come out to 48 times 2 is 96. Add a 0, 960 inches. And now we have cubed. Okay? We do have cubed because we're going 3 dimensions. Surface area was area. I haven't watched through the whole video. I stopped and made sure to work this one out first. Okay?